Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to show off this kind of berry rose gold lip look that I was inspired to do with these enchanted pigments from Incendio Beauty. Now to start off, I actually started with Blood Moon, and this is one of their enchanted pigments, and this is a stunning, rich, beautiful wine berry color that you can use on your eyes and your lips. You can pretty much do anything with pigments that you want to. And then the second color that I use is one called Harvest Moon, which is this beautiful rose gold pinky undertone pigment, and again, use it all over your face if you'd like to. I'll do an eye look with these, but for this lip look I actually started with MAC Cosmetics. This is their lip liner in a NightMoth, and I'm really using that just as a base to really give me a little bit more depth to my lips, because I wanted to have a sort of outline around the perimeter of my lips as usual. And now I'm going to take the Harvest Moon Enchanted pigment, and I'm just pouring that right on like a mixing palette, and I'm taking a dollop of lip gloss, and you can use any lip gloss that you like, and I'm using this in the Harvest Moon, and I'm also using it in the Blood Moon pigment. Now the fun thing that I love working with pigments is that you have the freedom to really use and create whatever you want. You can make your own color, you can mix colors, you can do exactly what I'm doing here, taking them and making them into like your very own mixture of a lip gloss or a lipstick. It's the fun part of working with pigments, so don't be afraid of trying new things and being creative. And that's one of the things that I really love about working with this brand, is that it gives you the freedom to create any look that you can really think of. And now that we got the lip gloss set up with the pigments, I'm just going to apply Blood Moon to the outer perimeter of my lips. Again, you can see how everything is starting to build up. And then in the center of my lips, I'm just going to take Harvest Moon, and I'm going to start creating more of that ombre effect that you see in the final look. Now for more of a pow, I'm just going to take the pigment straight from the packaging and just start patting that into my lip. And that's really it, you guys. You can have so much fun working with pigments and then creating your own lip looks, and you can see how easy it was. Just remember to have fun, and if you have any questions or comments, just leave them in the box down below, and I will talk to you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching.